join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margam, Vasco and Porvorim.
म्हादयचे इश्यूचेर सरकार बेड्डो कुड्डो आनी मोनो जाल्ले भशेन वागता. गोवा फॉरवर्डाचो आमदार विजयाचो आरोप. कर्नाटकाचो दोळ्या आड म्हादय व्हरूंक वेगवेगळ्यो चोरवाटो करपाचो उपद्व्याप चालूच म्हूण पर्यावरण एक्टिविस्ट राजन केरकाराचे एक्सपोजे उपरांत विरोधकांनी सरकाराक धुलो.
हे काम चालू आसतना आमचो गोंयचो सरकार भेरो जाल्लो आहा, आंधळो जाल्लो आहा आनी म्हाका दिसता तोंडूय बंद पडला म्हणल्यार मोनो जाल्लो आहा. So deaf, dumb and blind Goa government to a major issue which concerns the lifeline of Goa. म्हणजे आमची जीवनदायिनी म्हणटी म्हादय जी आसा जी मुखेलमंत्र्यान आपल्या आवय परस व्हडली म्हणिल्ली, हे म्हादयचे आज असो अत्याचार चालू आसा.
आपाचो वेंजी म्हणटा कर्नाटकाच्या ह्या कामाचेर गोंयच्या चीफ इंजिनियरान जाप दिवची.
We totally condemn this government style of working, how they are working and the way they have taken things for granted, and the whole reason boils down to the chief engineer of WRT. The chief engineer of WRT must come out with solutions because he is responsible now. He has to give answers. कामां सगळीं बरीं आहा, आमी वयताय कामां ताजे बरी तो फायल पास करता, बट आज गोंय राखपाची गरज आहा आनी जेन्ना गोंय राखपाक गरज आहा तेन्ना चीफ इंजिनियर जो आहा तेणे रिएक्ट करपा जाय. तेणे आज आन्सर दिवपा जाय की वाय ही इज अनएबल टू एन्श्योर दॅट देर वॉज a team going and monitoring all these things.
विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी म्हणटा हाऊस कमिटी नावाक.
The house committee ji ha, it is dormant. It is only a jumla, and we have said that there is nothing done in the interest of Madai. We have raised it several times in the assembly. That is the platform for the MLAs to raise it and have a debate. So we have said that time and over again that the water is being diverted. The water is being diverted. Why is the Chief Minister silent?
Bureau Report, Prudent.